Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic option for birthday treats and classroom prizes: the Premium Party Favors set for kids aged 4 to 10. Packed with 100 pieces of fun and educational toys, this set promises to make any party or classroom event a hit. Let's explore what makes this collection so special. This assortment includes 14 different types of toys, carefully selected to engage children's imaginations and keep them entertained. From fidget toys to brain teasers, each item is designed not only for fun, but also to promote hand-eye coordination, finger flexibility, and cognitive development. First off, durability and safety are key. Every toy in this set meets rigorous American toy safety standards, ensuring peace of mind for parents and teachers alike. Made from premium, non-toxic materials, these toys are built to last through countless play sessions. Let's highlight a few favorites from the collection. The Pop Fidget toys, including keychains and balls, are incredibly popular among kids. These toys provide a satisfying sensory experience with every push, helping to relieve stress and anxiety. Beyond just play, these toys offer substantial educational value. They encourage children to problem solve, enhance their memory skills, and even improve spatial intelligence. It's learning through play at its finest. Why should you consider this set for your next party or classroom event? Well, it saves you time and effort by providing a diverse range of toys in one package. Whether you're planning a birthday celebration or looking for classroom rewards, this set caters to all needs. And here's the best part: customer satisfaction is guaranteed. If you're not completely happy with your purchase, they offer a money-back guarantee. It's a testament to their confidence in the quality of these toys. To wrap it up, the Premium Party Favors set is truly a standout choice for anyone wanting to delight kids with top-notch toys that are safe, engaging, and educational. Whether you're a parent organizing a birthday party or a teacher preparing classroom rewards, this set delivers on all fronts. Check out the link in the description below to get your hands on this fantastic collection. And don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy playing!